Good day. My name is Raquel Valiente Pacle, 31 years old. I am from Cagayan City, Sabala, Philippines. I am happily married. I have two sons, ages 12 years old and 2 years old. My highest educational attainment is college undergraduate, taking course computer programming. My hobbies are reading books and working out. I work as housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years. I serve one couple and one children ages 10. First, I work as domestic helper in the Lebanon for 2 years and 3 months. I serve one couple and three children, ages 2, 4, and 6. Second, I work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 4 years and 3 months. I serve one couple and two adults, ages 30 and 40. Third, I work as domestic helper in Hong Kong for 8 months. I serve one couple and children, ages 2. My duties are cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and laundry, taking care of children. I want to work in Turkey because I want to help my husband for their growing needs like financial, especially their education. I'm willing to take good care of newborn baby, toddler, children, and elderly. I can work alone. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid, and I promise to do my best to do my duty and to finish my contract and to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.